Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download beat synced cuts templates for CapCut step by step clearly. To download beat synced cuts templates for CapCut, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to your search engine. Type beat synced cuts templates for CapCut into the search bar. Review the search results for trusted websites or platforms that offer these templates. Click on a link that looks promising. Once on the website, look for the section dedicated to CapCut templates. Browse through the available beat synced cuts templates. Select the template that interests you. On the template's download page, locate the download button. Click the download button to initiate the download. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically or prompt you to choose a download location. Once the download is complete, open the CapCut app on your device. In CapCut, tap on the New Project button to start a new video project. Look for the option to import media files. Navigate to the folder where you downloaded the template. Select the downloaded template file. Import the template into your project. After the template loads, you can start customizing it with your own media. Remember to adjust the beats to sync with your video clips as needed. Once you are satisfied with your edits, save your project. Now you are ready to export your video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security, and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.